Amazing question from one of our subscribers on pre calculus. Let us enjoy the journey of learning. Thank you. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we have taken a challenge math question based on advanced functions. This is a prerequisite course for calculus, grade 12. The question here is given f of x plus 1 equals to 3 times f of x minus 1 divided by 2. We are also given that f of 0 is equal to 5. Find an expression for f of n where n is a positive integer. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. This video is very important for IB students, AP students, or those following STEM program, since this is the base for calculus. Now, in case you want to learn from me, feel free to send an email to globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top. Now, let me thank all viewers and subscribers for watching our videos and posting excellent comments. To help our students worldwide, we also have a free math WhatsApp group in which we post questions and seek solutions from experts. So, this question was pretty difficult, and so it was posted on the free math WhatsApp group, and we did receive a beautiful solution. So, let me share with you the solution which we got. So, there you see the solution posted by Mr. Narad, very active member of the group. Already, he has answered more than 100,000 questions. Now, what I propose here as a solution of this question is alternate solution. So that's the beauty of mathematics. When we work on it, we see it from different angles. So, as my students, they are doing few specific things, learning about functions and then sequences and series. So I thought I'll combine those things and provide you with the solution. Perfect. So the solution I showed involved rewriting the function and then making it into a quadratic equation and then finding the solution. Very beautifully done by Mr. Nara. Now, here is what we are going to do. We are given the function and we know that f of 0 is equal to 5, right? And f of x plus 1 is equal to 3 times f of x minus 1 over 2. So if I substitute 0 for x, I get f of 0 plus 1 equals to 3 times f of 0 minus 1 over 2. So that means that I get a value of f of 1 as 3 times f of 0, is 5 minus 1 over 2. So we get 15 minus 1. So I'm writing here as 14 over 2, right? I'm not purposely writing it as 7. I could have done so. Okay, no problems. Now we'll just continue and find more terms. So we can now find what is f of 1 plus 1, which is f of 2, and applying the same given formula for us. So we have f of 1 minus 1 over 2. And so that we get f of 2 equals to 3 times f of 1. I'm writing now as 7 in the expression, right? It's easy for calculations, right? So both have their own advantages, which you will see as we move along with the solution. 3 times 7 is 21, minus 1 gives you 20. So we get 20 by 2, which indeed is 10. Okay. Now let's find another term, f of 3, and to do that, we'll substitute f of 2 plus 1. Makes sense, right? So 3 times f of 2 minus 1 over 2. So that gives you the value of f of 3, which is 3 times 10 minus 1 over 2. So we get the value of f of 3 as 29 over 2, right? 30 minus 1, 29 over 2. So you see, we have a series here which starts with 0. So let me just make a table here, uh, and then we'll make it on the new page and then continue, right? So we got few terms. For 0, we are given 5. For 1, we got a value which is 7 or 14 by 2. So let's write 7 here. For 2, we get 10. And for 3, we get 29 by 2. So likewise, you can actually find more values, but I think this will be sufficient for getting the solution, right? Now, since we have few terms of a series, let us try to see what kind of series it is, right? So I'll take it on a fresh page, taking values as 5, 7, 10, 29 by 2, right? So here is our new page in which we are rewriting our terms. So we have the terms as 5, 7, 10, 29 by 2, right? For 0, 1, 2, and 3, correct? So, so this is the value of f of x, and these are the values for x, correct? Now, the best way of finding this is to find the first difference. So, if you find the first difference, what do you see? 7 minus 5 is 2, and then we have 10 minus 7 is 3, and then we have 29 by 2 minus 10. So 29 minus, we can say 20 by 2. You get the idea, right? So 9 by 2. So that is our first difference. You see, it is not constant, it's not linear. But what we notice here is the ratio, right? So if I see the ratio, I get 3 by 2, right? As a ratio of first two terms, 3 divided by 2. And here, what is the ratio? 9 by 2 divided by 3 is also equal to 3 by 2, right? So from here, we can say we have a geometric sequence. You get the idea? So we have a geometric sequence where the 0th term is where f of 0 is equal to 5, right? F of 1 is 7, right? R, the value which we are multiplying by, is 3 by 2, right? So using geometric sequence formula and the terms which we have at hand, we can now write a general expression for f of n. You get the whole thing, right? So let's do that. So we'll write f of n as equal to a times r to the power of n plus, let's say, b. Substituting 0 here, so substituting 0 means n is 0. We get the value as 5 equals to a times r is 3 by 2, right? Over 0 plus b, right? So this means we get 5 equals to a plus b. So that is our equation number 1. And if I suppose substitute 1 here, then f of 1 is equal to 7. So which is a times 3 by 2 to the power of 1 plus b. And that gives us the second equation as 7 equals to 3 by 2a plus b. So we have two equations with us. One is 5 equals to a plus b, and the second is 7 equals to 3 by 2a plus b. Now, from these two equations, we can find the value of both a and b. Perfect. So, let me take it on the new page. So, sorry. So, we are going to take it on this page. So, we have first equation is that a plus b equals to 5. And the second equation which we have is 7 equals to 3 by 2a plus b. 7 equals to 3 by 2a plus b, right? This is the second equation. So if we subtract one equation from the other, that is, if I do 2 minus 1, right? So in that case, b and b cancel. So we get 3 by 2a minus a equals to 7 minus 5. Clear? So that is, we get the value of a as 3a minus 2a, right, over 2 equals to 7 minus 5, which is 2, right? So from here, we can get the value of a. Changing the ink here now, a by 2 is equals to a, or sorry, is equals to 2, or a equals to 4. So we get the value of a as 4 and b equals to 5 minus a. So b equals to 5 minus 4. So b equals to 1. Clear? So we get both our values, and now we have the function f of n as, so we had it as a times 3 by 2 to the power of n plus b. Now we can rewrite this as 4 times 3 by 2n plus 1. Makes sense? So that becomes the solution of our question, correct? So that is how we are going to do it. I hope you've understood the strategy. We kind of found all the terms, and since they were in geometric sequence, we utilize the formula and get the result. And this is exactly what we also got in our solution right there, right? So that is the solution for this particular equation. I hope it makes sense. You can also join our classes. Feel free to write comments and share your views. Thanks for your time and all the best.